Hey everyone, this is Sonic 3D Blast Dude here. I am on the 207th Street bound A express train where we left Fulton Street. The next stop's going to be Chambers Street. Right now, I'm in the process of helping some people get to Canal Street, which is 2 stops away.
This is Chambers Street. Free and R train connection is available to pass.
Okay, we are now leaving Chambers Street. That means the next stop is Canal Street.
Attention everyone. If you have questions or need to report an issue to the police, the NYPD is located at this station.
Transfer is available to the C and E trains.
Alright, here we are, Canal Street. You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.